Hi, my name is Andrea. Welcome to FabLab Fundamentals. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a Keysight digital multimeter. So let's get started. So here, you can turn on the multimeter by pressing this white button. Here in this case, it's already turned on. So here you can see the setting that it's on. So right now it's an AC voltage, but in this video, we're only going to be measuring DC voltage. So make sure you select DC voltage by pressing this button. So it should turn on. There's different other settings, but we will be talking about those in a separate video. So here in the display, you can see the voltage that's being measured from the probes. So now we're gonna grab our probes and connect them to the desired position. So here, since we're measuring DC voltage, just connect them here to the input. Okay, so after we've connected those, we can go ahead and look at the circuit that we're going to be measuring the voltage from. So now, if you look at here, this is the circuit that we're going to be constructing in this video. So we have a 5-volt DC voltage supplied from a DC power supply here. And then we're going to be measuring the voltage across this, the power supply, which is here and here. And we should be getting 5 volts. And then we're also going to be measuring the voltage across this resistor. Since this is grounded, so we get V out, and then we can calculate V out theoretically by doing a voltage divider with this resistor and this resistor. Since the resistances are the same, here's the formula, but since the resistances are the same, we can just assume that V out is just going to be 1/2 of the voltage supplied. So in this case, it's just going to be 2.5 volts. So let's check if it matches what we have in this circuit. So in this circuit, we have constructed the circuit shown in the picture. So we have two 1K ohm resistors here. Then we have the power supply, the 5-volt power supply, the voltage supplied here connected to one of the resistors, and the other is connected to the other side of the other resistors. So these resistors are connected in series. So now that that is done, we can go ahead and put our probes here. So this is from the DC power supply, and you can see that we indeed get 5 volts, 4.99, 5 volts. Which is what we expected. Now, if we measure the voltage across this resistor, we can see that in the multimeter, it shows 2.5, which is actually what we expected, because in the voltage division that we did, we expected V out to be 2.5. So it matches. So yeah, that is how you can measure voltage across a DC voltage across a circuit, a constructed circuit. But you can also measure voltage in a battery. So how you would do that is you just connect put the probes here, and then that will give you the voltage in the battery. So in this case, it's 8.81, which it's actually what we expected, because this is a 9-volt battery, as you can see. 9-volt battery. So yeah, that is how you would be using a digital multimeter to measure DC voltage. But you can turn it off by pressing the same white button that we mentioned earlier. And yeah, that is how you measure DC voltage. Thank you.